Hello everybody. In this QGIS tutorial, we're going to go over a few options for adding base maps or map tiles to your QGIS project. Okay, so for our first option, let's go over XYZ tiles. If you go over here to your left browser, you'll see XYZ tiles. If you click the arrow for the dropdown, one option that should be available by default is OpenStreetMap. You can click and hold and drag it down, like that. Or you can just double click. And you can see we get our map. Now a quick note, if you're ever trying to add a map and it looks like this, one thing you might try to do is to click on the map layer and then go up to your toolbar and click on the zoom to layer icon, like that. Another option you have with XYZ tiles is to create a new connection. So go ahead and click on XYZ tiles. Then do a right click and then click on new connection. Then you can put in a URL right here. One resource you can use to find some example URLs is the OpenStreetMap wiki tiles. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and then search for OpenStreetMap wiki tiles. And the web page will look like this. Let's go ahead and scroll down. We can see some examples with the URLs here. So let's go ahead and try out an example. Let's use this URL for the watercolor map. Then let's paste that into the text box. And note, in this example, we're going to take out the dollar symbols. And for the name, we'll put in watercolor. Then we can click OK. Let's go ahead and unclick OpenStreetMap. And now let's add the watercolor map. And you can see we have our watercolor map. Next, another option that we have is to use the Open Layers plugin. So let's go up to Plugins, Manage, and Install Plugins. Then we want to go to Settings. And let's click on Show Experimental Plugins. If you do not click on Show Experimental Plugins, the Open Layers plugin might not show up. Now let's click on All. And let's do a search for Open Layers. Here it is. Let's go ahead and install the plugin. Okay, so our plugin install was successful. And now we can close. Now we can go ahead and access our Open Layers plugin. Go up to Web, and here we have some of our options. You'll have to play around with this just a little bit and click on some of the options to see which maps will work and to see which map you'd like to use. For this example, let's go ahead and try out the OpenStreetMap Stamen Toner. And you can see we get our map. For our last example, let's check out another plugin. Let's go to Plugins, Manage, and Install Plugins. The plugin that we want is called QuickMap Services. Let's do a search for QuickMap Services. And here's the plugin. Let's go ahead and install the plugin. Okay, so our plugin was installed successfully. And now we can click Close. And over here on the right, you'll see your Search QMS, which is short for QuickMap Services. Now, if this search option is gone, one way you can get it back is to go up to your toolbar and click on the Search QMS icon right here. So let's go ahead and do a quick search for Bing Maps. And let's try this option right here. Then we click Add. And you can see here we get our map. Let's try one more option. Let's do a search for Google Maps. We'll go ahead and try out this Google Maps option right here. And click Add. We will go ahead and unclick Bing Maps and make sure the Google Maps layer is checked. And here we have our Google map. We can move the map and zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that's all we have for this tutorial. Join us again next time.